Peekaboo, welcome in. Hope you're doing well. We're out here watching the fireworks at the Merrimack River in Lowell. So we're like all the way in the back. So we're getting a little bit of fireworks here. So, it's like right there. Oh wow. Yeah. Nice. Nice view. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. How are things going at your stream, Peekaboo? Had to stop in for a little bit, played, solved a jigsaw puzzle, helped out for a little bit, and then we drove here just to see the fireworks. Oh, Klondike Dyke, welcome in. Thanks for the lurk, appreciate it. He's opening the Kinder Egg now. Alright, nice, nice. See that there's a boat right there. Pretty cool. I can hear the fireworks, but I can't really see. It would be a good experience if we could see the fireworks instead of actually hearing them. So, but, if only I knew where they came from. Oh, I think I see a little bit right. Oh, I see it right there. It's like hovering from the trees. Yeah, I think they're just getting started. So they were like all the way up high in the sky. Oh, I see right there. Cool. So water. Oh. see right there. Oh, right there we go. Nice. This is how. Alright, right, nice, nice. Cool. Oh, whoa. Oh, Steven, welcome in. Appreciate it. Oh, crap. Muted because alphabetizing your YouTube karaoke playlist, but keep an eye on the action. Alright, no problem, Steven. Appreciate you popping in. Um, just showing you guys the fireworks. So, just thought I'd show you guys. Oh, I see right there. Kind of blurry a little bit. Hopefully you can still see. Here. Oh, right there. Oh, whoa, whoa. Trying to focus as much as I can. Nice, nice. Damn mosquitoes all over. how was the rest of your stream? How was words? How did it go? What Kinder Egg did you get? Thank you so much, Evram. Thank you so much. Good time your stream earlier. Played a little bit of puzzle with you before I started the stream. So at the moment, guys, we're at the park right now watching the fireworks. So if you guys want to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view, feel free to stick around. But if not, no worries. So, Peekaboo, thanks for joining that raid, of course. Especially before you came here. So by yourself. So. It's kind of blurry right now, so okay. Level 17, we got Despicable Me for Dupe of the spaceship. Oh, Dupe. Well, yeah, sorry about that, Eram, but level 17, nice. Glad you got it there. So, let's see how these freaking mosquitoes are attacking me a little bit here and there, but at least we get to watch the views. But yeah, guys, feel free to stick around if you like, watch the fireworks. But if not, I wanna go with you, Troopa. I wanna see what you're doing. It's my cat. Oh, I see what it is. That's my mom. That's cool. That's not a good thing. Yeah, I think you should take a better picture. Freaking. Gotta be more focused. Yeah. Okay. Fireworks right there. Yeah, the focus not good. It's too dark here. Hiram, if you have to raid and run, that's absolutely no problem at all. Appreciate you popping in. Thanks for the raid once again. Appreciate it. Oh, we got a couple right there. Nice. Kind of blurry, so I might have to. Oh. Oh, yeah, there. Oh, there. It's like right behind the trees. Sorry. Yeah, sometimes you can't really see it. Oh, I got one right there. Can you see, Pa? Beautiful. You wanna go where there's light, Pa? There's like lights. You just stay in the car. It's like we're in Vietnam again. You heard? You know why? The mosquito thing, especially the net. Yeah, still no big fireworks yet. Maybe you have to wait. Wait, mommy, I don't wanna. I still wanna see. Okay. Oh, nice, nice. Just good. Oh, Nico Ninja, thanks for joining that raid. I see you. Thought I thought I thought you were Peekaboo, or your name kind of confused me. So, ooh, nice, nice. Sorry I didn't see you, Nico Ninja. So your name is purple, just like Peekaboo. So I thought you were Peekaboo at first. Oh, blurry. I'm sorry about this. Yeah, I need to focus a bit more. Oh,
I'll be back home. Just stay there, okay?
Alright. Hope Steven, thanks for the hugs. Yeah, freaking mosquitoes. Damn. Oh, that's cool. And focus. Hey, you hate the damn mosquitoes, right? You hate those mosquitoes, right?
Yeah, next time it's
Next time we come here, you want to grab the mosquito spray,
I saw different one at the time you put on your phone, whatever. The
trying to focus this camera. Damn camera won't focus. Freaking mosquitoes, dude. Call mommy. I'm streaming. Call mommy.
phone for what?
Because mommy called me, you should call. Cannot call when I'm in the middle of streaming.
No, we guys stay here because you can see a lot better from here. Bye.
What you want?
You don't want to walk too much because you don't want me to walk too much. Just gonna stay here, okay?
Just stay in one spot. You should be fine, Pa. As long as you don't move too much. My forehead is like I feel like I have a rash on my forehead from all the damn mosquitoes. Like my face is actually melting off right now. Almost feels like that, true. Oh, we got a boat right there. We got two boats. Very nice. It's got lights too. Cool. Oh, there's three boats. Oh, there's a couple more right there. We got some more fireworks. Or all these boats.
Oh yeah, big one. Yeah. Yeah. Go for that.
And some more boats. What?
How much are you doing that?
They got a plane up there.
Okay, that's why you come in here 5 minutes. So I don't like all done.
Are you sure? That's it.
It's Billy Star, 9 o'clock, right on 9:20. Hey,
9:28. Right.
let's find out what time it's close.
What close? Yeah, it's still a little bit more behind the trees. Small, but it's there. Sometimes you never know. Sometimes it could be like a big fireworks. You never know. Yeah, you can still hear them. What are you looking for?
You want to know what time it is?
You're looking for a Merrimack River? Frickin' focus. Oh, I see a little right there. Oh, I see one there. God You're all set eating for today, Paul? Or?
What do you think about food all the time? You can't get out of the house and
Why not?
Huh?
Not on stream.
Does that make you want to yell it?
Don't yell at
My leg. I can't stand it. I can't stand how too long. Put too much pressure on my leg. I think it's because it's done now. People leaving already.
Yeah, people are leaving, but it looks, sometimes you never know, Paul. There could be more coming out. Oh, right there. I see a little. Oh, right there. Expect the unexpected, Paul. Sometimes you never know. There you go. A little right there.
Yeah. You always do that, madam. Let's go in the car.
Still more, Paul. See right there? Freaking trying to focus this. See a little bit right there. Nice. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. See what I tell you? Oh, the nice colors. Oh, right. You're fine. So many fireworks. Wait, mommy, there's more.
nó gặp hơi nhập cái bò mà cái mà nó muốn được cho anh ấy cũng cần cho
Mommy, it's not over yet.
sorry
Yeah. Look at all that smoke. Steamy funk! What? Oh, what? Oh, there's more? Right?
Just stay there.
Oh, but did you get my picture? Alright, hang on. While taking my picture. Say cheese, guys. Oh, police. If we, maybe if you stand by the light, it's a lot clearer, maybe? You want to do that? Alright. Here, stand by mommy, come here. Yeah. Say cheese, guys.
Stand up straight.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
Nice. My dad, those who don't know, you've all seen my dad before. Show you guys many times. Getting some light right here, so. Oh, right there. Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, oh, nice. That's cool. That's cool. Mommy, one of my viewers says happy belated birthday to you.
Oh, thank you. Tell them thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. She says thank you, peekaboo. So. Oh, we got a big one right there. Nice. Oh, oh. No, not yet. Oh, we got one right there. Nice. Oh, there's a little right there. Uh, you watch it from here. You want to sit down? You want me to sit down and watch it from here? Or you can see it better. Oh, there's this one right there. Freaking focus is driving me crazy. Here we got a boat.
you didn't turn on your headphones your light on
I may need this. A mosquito.
Angela, you all set? You ready to go?
Wait, there's something.
Doesn't look like all set.
I can still hear it, but listen. Really? But see, you can still hear it, Maury. That means there's more. When it's over, when I'm
Here come.
yeah, you see. Good thing we're still here. That's nice. Oh, whoa! That's a big one right there. Cool. Wait, mommy, no, mommy. There's still more going on, mommy. No. Look, there's more right there. There's more over there. Look, mommy, what are you doing like that? Oh, there's more right there. Nice.
Boom.
Oh, there's one right there. Oh, nice. Whoa. Nice. Goddamn mosquitoes making me shake the damn camera. Oh, nice.
Let's take a picture of that boy anyway.
Looking focus, man. At least you guys can see it, right? That's all that matters.
This is someone else's house. It's not the arena thing. The Yuma thing, Angela.
Yeah, but we can still see it, mommy. It's fine. Yeah.
What?
Mommy,
They got fly right here. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock.
freaking
I know. It's not done
mommy,
yet.
don't.
Rồi mình cho off cho có bao ta mình. Cho mà coi cho trong
Look,
tam cho
I
nó
wanna
cho
see.
lâu cho lâu. Còn bị thân cứ bị khu mà. Tại đi.
Mommy, take picture. Oh, there's more right there. Goddamn freaking mommy. Shh. Oh, there's more right there. Nice. That's cool. Oh, there's more right there. Cool. couple boats. Yeah, I think, oh, a little more right there. Cool. Yeah, I think we should get going a little soon. Oh, there's more right there. Nice. There's one more. Oh, what body of water is that? Not sure either, but oh, there's a little more. Oh,
I remember with that
cool.
new map right there. Look like a scary place.
ถ้านั่งเว้นนี่อยู่มาที่ไหน
Oh, right there. Nice.
The martial look.
Oh, whoa, whoa,
That
whoa,
one.
whoa.
That's the final one. Maybe look at it. It'll be a lot.
Oh, whoa.
หนูอ่ะนั่งเว้นนี่จังไงยังไม่นั่งอ่ะ
Look at that. Look at 'em. There's more right there.
Going in mountain.
I don't think it should have had that thing tonight.
Okay, 10 more minutes.
Oh, 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 that's a big one.
There's a lot of them here.
Oh, whoa, whoa. Nice, nice. Oh, more. Yeah, I think we should get going. Right? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Oh, there's more right there. Yeah.
So like, that's it. No.
Yeah. Oh, there's more.
I'm no.
You can still see.
You can do that at home now. You know?
The last one.
Right. Nice.
You want to take a picture right here so you can see your.
Right.
Right?
Pa, you wanna? Oh, Pa, you wanna say hi? Oh, that's my dad.
Yeah.
That's my chat.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. How are you enjoying the
Yeah, pretty good.
fireworks?
Yeah,
Good.
it's nice and quiet over here, but yeah, clear sky. I kind of clear sky, right?
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
much cloudy
There's
today.
a lot of mosquitoes too,
Yeah,
right?
that's mosquitoes. Yeah, you gotta watch out for that. Could be what do you call that? Poison. What do you call that?
What?
Mosquito. Could
Yeah.
be virus or something.
Virus?
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I think that pretty much wraps it up for tonight, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks. Hopefully you guys could see it well. I'm gonna end the stream now and maybe find somebody to raid if you guys want to raid with us. If you'd like, feel free to join. But if not, that's totally fine. Um, so from where you guys are, if it's late for you guys, have a good rest of your night. Sweet dreams, and talk to you guys soon. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 5 of Magic Week. So stay tuned for that. In the meantime, I'm gonna sign off now. So. Take care, guys. Peace. And take care, guys.